In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Vheer AI. So let's get started. This is a free online AI image generator, and you can convert simple text to ordinary photo and to masterpieces with the online AI image. So guys, just click sign up with your account. You can connect your Google account, click confirm, and then you have AI text to image, AI image to generations. You have text to image. If I click this option, you can use to convert your text, generate image from text. Just guys, write your prompts here. For example, steampunk flying bicycle. For example, steampunk right bicycle. You can write your prompts here. You can also image to generate image to image. This option, you can through this option generate image from your image. Just upload, drag your image from here and write your positive prompts and click generate prompts automatically. And also you have image to video. Click image to video. You can generate video from image. You can turn your photo into creative video. That's your story, and with simple uploaded image. You have image tools, guys. You can use to remove background. You can upload just your image, and you can use to remove your background. You can change the color of the background. You have AI image outliner. You can use to make this outliner. This is to help you to make, for example, thumbnail or something like this. And you have this image to text tools. You have image to prompts and free image describe. So friends, you have this pricing 0 free. You have premium plan, advanced and free. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video.